Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can summon the weather using weather machine in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the game, and if you want to increase your luck guys, one of the methods that you can try is using the weather machine to summon the weather. And you can go to the weather machine location right here using your boat, or actually you can simply click on this weather icon, and here you will be able to use the weather machine. Okay, just like this, and you can check the available slot, and now there is one available slot, so we can add one more weather. And these are the weather options that you can add to the slot, and you will need coins to get the weather guys. For example, this wind weather, we will need 10k coins, and for the cloudy we need 20k coins, and this is the most expensive, the shark hunt event or weather. And for me, I'm just going to summon the wind weather. Okay, and then you can click on this coins menu if you want to summon the weather. Okay, and I think I'm going to add the storm because it can increase my luck, and just click on the coins. Okay, and I'm going to click on yes. Okay, and now the storm event has started, and it can increase the speed and also luck. Okay guys, and that's how you can summon the weather using weather machine in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.